So we have the results. That's Mr. Sachin, my dear friend from the Edify Sports. So we have the results for 5 kilometers.
Check your phone.
So here are the results. So may I request Saurabh sir? So may we request, एंड जब मैं ये नाम बुलाऊंगी मैं चाहूंगी जितने लोग भी यहाँ पे खड़े हैं और हवा में हाथ जोरदार बजाएंगे और उनका अभिनंदन करेंगे. सो मे आई रिक्वेस्ट कैप्टन Raj K. Malik to please come up on stage, and everyone please clap and welcome him. May we also request DIG Mr. Mohsin Shahidi ji to please come up on stage. Everyone please clap up for the eminent personalities. Thank you for gracing the stage, sir. Thank you for making this event so beautiful, and thank you for bringing us here together for a beautiful purpose, a purpose which was untouched for a long duration. मैंने बहुत सारे events किए हैं sir, but ये purpose is an amazing purpose. So thank you for bringing us in one platform under one umbrella to create awareness about aviation, to create awareness about airport, to let people know the hard work the airline staff does to make you all fly safe, happy, and for the happy landing. So let me tell you guys, the backstage work is something, and I know this from a very close quarter, myself being an air hostess, ex-air hostess, so I know how tough it is to manage. Delay हो रहा है, passengers आए हुए हैं, ruckus create हो रहा है, and with a smile they are doing their job. Kudos to both of you sir, kudos to all of you sir, thank you so much. So we have the results in our hands, and these two amazing personalities will do the honors. I am a female, so we will begin with female. Can we do with a female? Yes. May I request Shri Yogendra Tomar ji to please come up on stage. Mr. Yogendra Tomar ji to please come up on stage. इनकी एनर्जी जो मैंने देखा है अभी upstage and downstage, and the way he came. Come on everyone, for this energy, everybody here. Mr. Yogendra Tomar ji, welcome up on stage, sir. Incredible energy, incredible stamina, and incredible charm. So with your charm, the stage has become even more graceful, even more eventful, and we are going to make this day even more memorable. And may I request Mr. Bawa to please come up on stage?
नहीं मैं नीचे ठीक हूँ यहीं से.
आ जाए सर, प्लीज आ जाए, प्लीज आ जाए सर.
चलिए. हाँ ठीक है.
Okay, as we can.
Rohit.
So, as you can see, we have some amazing personality up on stage. So may I now hand over the mic to Captain Malik. He is going to say a few words.
Conduct. I think I have seen so many programs, but she is outstanding. Please clap for her. She's doing amazing work, and God bless her.
Thank you so much.
Another thing I want to say is that we have Mr. Mohsin Shahidi. He is a DIG CRPF, now with NDRF. He is the officer who has done, I think, maximum marathons, half marathon. So I'll request him and hand over to him. He is an experienced marathon runner, so he will be guiding us how to go about. So over to Mr. Mohsin Shahidi, DIG.
Jai Hind to all. The only person I can guide is myself, nobody else. This is the first rule. So I started like you people. I started like you people. You know, I started walking, then running, and now I have run more than 200 marathons.
Good.
So I am like you. You can also do it. It's a daily routine. We all, you know, we do lot of activities on a daily basis that we feel is important. We go to our job, we eat, we sleep. So doing exercise is also important. It should be part of the life. That is very important. So I'll request all of you, and you are a winner because facing all odds, you have come here and you have shown that you are interested in changing your life. If you can change your life, you can change the life of others. I am from National Disaster Response Force, so I would like to say a few words on disaster because we are the responders, but the first responder is the community, that is we as a civilian. So we have certain role to play. That is very important for us to understand, and that is why I will request, because you all seem very fit. So 3 things you must do in life, very important. First is you maintain your fitness, because if you are fit, then only you can survive, or you can assist others. So fitness is one important thing. Second, you must try to learn swimming. It is so important. So many incidents take place, where there is flood, there are other issues related to meteorological disasters. If you know swimming, it is very, helpful in crisis. You must do that. One more thing, if you can learn, and that will be very important, you can do it. You can visit online, you can visit the website of NDRF, www.ndrf.gov.in. If you can know CPR, कोई अगर बीमार हो गया, मूर्छित हो गया, उसको कैसे रिवाइव करना है, कितने लोग जानते हैं? हाथ खड़ा कीजिए. वंडरफुल. बट आई से 100% शुड नो. 100% लोगों को जानना चाहिए. और अपने घर में ही अगर कुछ हो जाता है तो आप अपने घर वालों की लाइफ बचा सकते हैं. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो ये 3 चीज़ों में आपको रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, और जो यंग लोग हैं उनसे 2 चीज़ रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा. एक लड़के ने सवेरे बोला था नो टू ड्रग्स, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. रोड एक्सीडेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं, डेली बेसिस पर रोड एक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं, और वो किससे होते हैं? 2 रीजंस. हाई स्पीड, नेवर ड्राइव हाई स्पीड. आपको 400 किलोमीटर जाना है तो आप मत सोचिए कि हम 2 घंटे में पहुंच जाएंगे कहीं. आप बोलिए कि हम 80 से ऊपर नहीं जाएंगे किसी भी हालत में. आई हैव ए फैमिली, आई हैव ए लाइफ. आपके पेरेंट्स हैं, आपके कितने सारे चिंतक लोग हैं जो आपको देखना चाहते हैं, प्रोग्रेस करना चाहते हैं लाइफ में, और आपने एक गलती की और झटके से जो है सभी को अपने जो है उसका इफेक्ट जो है कितना कोलेटरल इफेक्ट होता है, इससे बचना है. कंट्रोल कीजिए अपने आप को. तो हाई स्पीड से होता है, और दूसरा ड्रिंकिंग. ये 2 चीज़ें हैं, बहुत ही केयरफुल रहिए इसमें. एक इंसिडेंट होता है, आप शायद जानते नहीं होंगे, भारत में 50,000 लोग डूब करके मरते हैं हर साल. 50,000. तुर्की में जब अर्थक्वेक आया था तो इतना बड़ा अर्थक्वेक आया था, उसमें 40,000 लोग मरे थे. अगर आप सोचिए कि हर साल 50,000 लोग मर रहे हैं और पता भी नहीं चल रहा हमें. तो ये जो बच्चे होते हैं, अभी गर्मी है, सब लोगों को नहाना पसंद है, तालाब में जाएंगे, नए जगह पर जाएंगे, अननोन जगह पर जाएंगे, नहीं जाना है. बहुत केयरफुल रहना है. जो बच्चे जाते हैं, पेरेंट्स का जिम्मेदारी है कि उनको देखना है. तो इस पर केयरफुल रहे. ये नहीं कि ये कोई भी एंजॉयमेंट होता है वो एक लिमिट होता है. विदाउट लिमिट इट इज डेंजरस. सो आई विल रिक्वेस्ट यू. थैंक यू सो मच. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल, एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू माय फ्रेंड कैप्टन राज मलिक. वी वर टुगेदर इन श्रीनगर in challenging times. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So can we all repeat what we have just now learned? 3 important things: your physical fitness, swimming, and CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Very crucial. So if we can summarize what Mohsin sir has just now said, is very crucial. And do not drink and drive, and no rash driving, because yes, कोई हमारा घर पे इंतजार कर रहा है, ये हम सब जानते हैं, और उन्होंने भी हमारे लिए और हमने उनके लिए सपने बुने हैं. So thank you so much, sir, for the valuable input, and clap for Mohsin sir for this amazing input. Do not forget CPR. जिनको नहीं आता वो जरूर सीख लें. हमें सीखना हमारी जरूरत है, आपको सीखना भी आपके लिए जरूरत है. कितने लोगों का आप जान बचा सकते हैं इसमें. Then physical fitness, which includes swimming also. Do not get scared of water. I'm not saying this because I'm not. Do not get scared of water. It is very nice. And thank you so much, Mohsin sir. Thank you so much, Captain Malik. And thank you everyone. Be up on stage. Thank you, Baba sir.
Thank you.
Hats off to you. आप एकदम मतलब क्या जोश के साथ एक मोमेंट कैप्चर कर रहे हैं सर. क्या बात है सर.
Moments are very precious. You should not lose
Yes,
them.
exactly. He is the one who is capturing the moments, and we all are going to look amazing when we actually see how it comes out.
Yes.
And Tomar sir, energy to next level hai. So kudos to you. I will do a Mexican salute to you, sir. क्या बात है? So I have the results, but before the result, there is one special request and an announcement which Sachin ji has just now asked me to let us know.
तोमर साहब का एक जरूर बताइए कि he is repeating this show now. He did it many years back and he is again doing it, and that is his passion about doing run. You must tell people.
So we all must know. देखिए मैं ना एक चीज बोलती हूँ, जब भी मैं एक फिटनेस कोच होने के नाते और एक स्पोर्ट्स एंकर होने के नाते मैं इतना कुछ सीखती हूँ सर, और इतना कुछ जानती हूँ कि जब घर जाती हूँ तो लगता है कितना कुछ सीखा है आप लोगों से. तो अभी जो मालूम पड़ा है वो तो मैंने सुना है right from the horse's mouth. Here the mic is yours.
Right. Over to you, sir.
Good morning to everybody. So जैसे बाबा साहब ने बोला, I was the executive director of ATA at the time, and in 2017 we had to organize this run because people wanted to run and like to come here. So we have at the time opened the registration, and there were 1,000 registration came at the time. 1,000 people. Then we had to stop the registration because we had no space here. And I got call from different high officials. कि सर एक बंदा ले लो, दो बंदे ले लो, तीसरा करके लो. So it was such a wonderful event. Today also, only because of rain was eventually with us. The weather has become so nice. So Indra Devata also has helped us so that we can organize it and we can have fun together and we can run it. Now, after I used to work with Dial, and I worked with them 12 years, 13 years, and after I retired. And after retirement, I have joined Arun Aviation. And I have been involved together with Captain Malik because Captain Malik is the Sutradhar. And I have supported him together because I was identified that I have done earlier. So then we have to support and work together. So it has worked out together very well. This I will say 2-3 words about my company now.
Yes.
Arun Aviation is a company which has got 10,000 people on our road. And it has got, we have got work at about 30 airports in India. And we are doing ground handling at the airports. We are doing also housekeeping and food. Arun Food is also our company, group company. I'm the president of the company. And also the facility management services. These three companies are ours here to support this event. So it was a wonderful time. Thank you very much. And let us see that how can we do it again. We like to do it every year again.
This is what is called telepathy. I was just hinting you that give me the mic, and you said what I was going to say.
Say it again.
Friends, this run is going to be an annual event, and without seeking the consent of everybody who is doing, I am announcing this. And you should not let the Josh die. Right? Josh on है? अगले साल दोबारा मिलेंगे? Right. Thank you.
How is Josh? How is Josh? How is Josh?
Very good.
Right, good, thank you. Now we know we are in safe hands. Now अब आपका क्या काम है? आपने इसको 2000-3000 तक लेके जाना है. जितने भी रनर्स हैं, आप एक ATA का रनर्स ग्रुप अलग बनाइए. ATA's रनर ग्रुप आज से बन गया है. You start giving your name and numbers to Captain Malik, right? ATA's runner group, and Madam is our leader under that group, right? Okay, right, thank you.
So thank you so much. Appreciation is what an artist always looks for, and getting appreciated by Captain Malik up on stage means a lot to me. So thank you so much. Thanks to my team also. But before we start the felicitation, yes, sir, I definitely like to speak. Just a moment, sir. Bib number 5480.
Yeah,
Bib number 5480, please हमारे सामने आ जाइए कि हमें ये आइडेंटिफाई करना है आपको. हमें एक्चुअली आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है. आपके नाम के आगे एथलीट लिखा हुआ है.
5480.
ये बिब किनका है? ये आपका बिब है? अच्छा ठीक है. Done. Sorry, Sachin ji. So now, this event is beautifully managed by VJ sir. So let us all clap for Rohit ji and Abhishek ji. Why are you guys hiding? सामने आ जाएं. रोहित जी प्लीज सामने आ जाए. Abhishek, why are you hiding? Abhishek is the Iron Man. Come on, we are sports people. We know Iron Man बनना इतना आसान नहीं होता है. उसका बेसिक मिनिमम क्राइटेरिया वो है जो बहुतों का सपना होता है. तो Abhishek, please come up on stage. Please come up. We have to know this. Sir, he is an Iron Man and V chaser. Rohit.
Welcome.
अब मैंने रोहित बोला कि we are like friends. Okay, Mr. Rohit and Abhishek, please be कुछ बोलेंगे. As an Iron Man, we would like to hear something, Abhishek.
Hello everyone, good morning.
Good morning.
यार आई थिंक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो यही मैं कहना चाहूँगा, जो बारिश होने के बाद भी जो कॉल्स करी है ना आप लोगों ने कि
Yes.
आना है नहीं आना है, the enthusiasm was super amazing, which is definitely required for us.
Right.
तो सही है. आई थिंक बहुत सारे लोगों ने ये भी बोला कि मैंने पहली बार पार्टिसिपेट किया है. मैं भी रूट पे गया था, तो आई थिंक मोर देन 10 people have admitted कि पहली बार पार्टिसिपेट किया है. डायरेक्टली दे आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग फॉर 5 किलोमीटर.
हाँ, right, ठीक है. We are announcing.
अमेजिंग.
Right, we are announcing.
थैंक यू.
Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Now the results. We have the results now, so I will begin top 3 female 5 kilometers. So bib number 5315, Jayanti Sunil. Jayanti Sunil, please come up on stage. Your timing is 31 minutes and 24 seconds. Congratulations, Jayanti. Come up on stage. Can we Chaser team help us? Give us the prize, please. Second.
Congratulations.
Second in place. Second in place. This beautiful trophy is brought to you by AI SATS. So, can I now request the bib number? Bib number 5480. 5480 to please come up on stage. You have stood second. First runners up, make it fast, ma'am. Your timing is 31 minutes and 22 seconds.
Fantastic.
A difference of 2 seconds. A difference of 2 seconds. Okay.
Congratulations. चलिए चलिए.
First runner up, yes sir. Now the winner is bib number 5372, Hemveer Balhar. Yeah. अच्छा सर, इनके बारे में मुझे अभी मालूम पड़ा, ये पहली बार दौड़ी है.
Oh,
वो
fantastic.
पहली बार में फर्स्ट आई है. और आपका टाइमिंग है, मैम आपका टाइमिंग है 30 minutes and 3 seconds. Congratulations.